Hey guys, today we're going to make some pancake cheeseburgers. So, going to have pancakes for buns, cheeseburger in there, fried egg, and some bacon on there. It's going to be awesome. Getting the bacon ready now. I assume you know how to make some bacon. If not, you can look at some of my other videos where we have bacon in there. Finishing these up, put them off to the side. Then we'll make some Smashburgers. It's going to be awesome. See you in a minute. Alright, we've got the bacon off to the side here. Next we're going to go ahead with our meat. Let me grab a glove. So here's what we have for the meat. This is a 80-20 mix. And what we're going to do, pop these down. Turn this guy off. Let's see, which one? Yeah. These three at medium. Actually, I'm going to make two right now because my family has a couple different ideas of how they want theirs. So I'm going to get these centered on here for the camera. Okay, so you want to hold it for about 10 seconds. And this is parchment paper, that way it doesn't stick. A little pepper. A little salt. Okay, now I'm going back down to low. Boom, boom, boom. This is all still over here. I don't want to burn that bacon. You throw a little more pepper if you want on. It's up to you. Some cheese on. This is the point if you have a dome. You can kind of scoot them together. Let that cheese melt. That's good enough for me. Okay, now we're just going to move these off the heat. Got a new tray. And I'm also going to grab this bacon. Make sure that's not heating up anymore. All right, get them all in one shot. Ooh, hot. Okay, so we're at about low heat coming down from medium, but we're still about 370 degrees, 375, 380. And that's about what you want for pancakes. Pancake batter I'm using is just Aunt Jemima instant kind. Add water, mix it up, and you're good. pour these out. Off to the side. While we're waiting for those, crack some eggs. Woo, that was a funny one. So we're only making 2 of these right now. I'm going to leave that how it is. See, these are starting to bubble up. So that means you know it's almost time to flip them. Pop that. So we're still doing low, low, off, off. So these are going off the off side. As you can see, they're going pretty well. Okay, I'm going to go to medium. And I'll kick this guy back on. Which one? Is he already on? Yeah, there he is. Put him on medium as well. Woo! We are done. So now all we got to do is take all this stuff and put it together. Family was getting really hungry, so I took most of it. And it's inside. It's maybe a little coldish now, but I'm fine with that. Let's go ahead and build this. Got our first pancake down. Some burger, cheese, some egg. Throw bacon across. What do you want to do? Another egg? Let's do another egg. We got the other pancake. Take a little syrup. Wait, did we do 2 burgers? I only did 1 burger. Hold on. Another burger. Oops, there we go. Huh? Looks pretty nice, right? Let's take a bite. Cut it in half. Wow, look at that, huh? Amazing. Okay, here we go. A little messy. Look at that. Tastes really good. Also really sticky if you pour the syrup right on top of it. So, great meal. Super easy to do. Quick. I didn't do many cuts in this one. You get some Smashburgers in there, so that's always fun. pancakes, anything for breakfast, that's always fun. And just all around good times, families in there, probably finished right now. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Got lots of great videos coming up. As you can see, I'm in the garage now. Actually, I have a window open over there. I could probably crack that one. Both these are wide open. Just bought this little John boat behind me here, $600. It's going to be a winter project. Some videos on that too. Mostly cooking stuff though. On the griddle, charcoal, whatever you want. So subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you can. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.